Welcome to this video demonstrating how to perform a chi-squared test of association in the Ti-84 calculator. We'll work through this example together. We'd like to know, is there a significant link between pet type and the activity preference of that pet? And we'd like to test this at the 95% confidence level. Here we have a contingency table with 12 nappers and 18 who prefer to play, and both 15 cats and dogs. The observed values are bold and black. We have 7 cats who like to nap, for example, and the expected values under the null hypothesis that the two variables are independent are in brown. For example, we expect 6 cats to nap, given that there are 12 nappers and 15 cats. 12 times 15 over the grand total 30 is 6. Now we're ready to use our calculator. So we'll press second and then the X inverse button to get into matrix menu. A matrix is a list of lists of numbers. So that's where we're going to put in our matrix A. We'll put in our observed values into matrix A, so we'll press enter. Then we have 2 by 2 as our data. So we'll have, for example, 7 cats who like to nap, then 8 cats who like to play, and we'll have 5 dogs who like to nap, and then 10 dogs who like to play. Okay, so now we have our data in matrix A. We can go over to stat, and then we'll go over to tests. You could type in alpha C, but I can also just show you we can just go down to the chi-squared test. There's another option, chi-squared goodness of fit test. We'll use this option C for the test of association. We'll hit enter. And then our observed data will be in matrix A. If that's not already selected, you could just do second matrix and then enter to hit the name A. Then expected will be matrix B. That could be empty, it could be nothing. It will auto-populate the expected values from your matrix A. And then we can choose any color because we're just going to calculate. And so we'll go down and hit enter. We get our chi-squared test statistic, and then a very large p-value, 0.456. That's larger than alpha, which was 0.05 in this problem. So we will reject the null hypothesis. Great job doing the chi-squared test of association on your calculator.